Good afternoon, YouTube. This is Nyla back with another Skyway Classic vehicle. Today I have a really cool 1968 Plymouth Road Runner, complete with all of the Road Runner emblems and, most importantly, the Road Runner horn. Super fun, super clean, red, right, and ready. This is an automatic transmission car, and it is in pristine condition from the exterior, interior, even the trunk space is clean. Got the nice little hood scoop, looking sporty. Absolutely beautiful. Just doing a 360 walk around of the exterior and interior, and then we follow it up with a couple more videos. Got the red and black interior here. Really, really nice. Looks like it's had a couple little modifications, but otherwise kept pretty original. And everything is listed in the description below this car. So if you want to know all of and everything that has been done to this car, it will be there. Also, we do all the still shots of these videos. So I do a video of the exterior, interior, the engine bay. Then we do a drive, and we also do a video of the undercarriage. But if you want to see all the still shots of this vehicle as well, you can find those on our website, skywayclassics.com. So check that out as well. I do have the pins taken off here because I'm about to open the hood, and the whole hood actually comes off. It's very light. And then I will do my shots of the engine bay. Let me sound this horn for you so you can hear how cool it is. Oh, can't do it one-handed. Hold on a second. How fun is that? All right, stay tuned. We'll continue on. Alrighty, here we are inside the 68 Road Runner. We're gonna take it for a spin and see how she drives. Alright, let's go through the maze of cars in here first. Hopefully we can get out. All right, here we go, here we go. Get to see a little bit of our inventory on the way out here. We do have a lot of cars in right now, so come check it out. All right, here we go. We like to take them down the road just a little bit, just to kind of give you an idea of how it drives, how it sounds, and let the, let all the gears go through. Sounds real good driving down the road. Definitely a bigger bodied car, but the handling feels good, the brakes feel good. Swing it around, we'll get it up on the lift, and we'll take a look at the underneath. Stay tuned. The underneath of this car is immaculate. just want you to kind of pay attention to how detailed and clean and beautiful this is. I'm gonna try to slowly go through here. Got the chrome plated transmission in just awesome condition. See all of those little details here. Just really, really nice. You don't often find an undercarriage in as good of shape as this one.